Are you ready to throw your laptop in the trash? Because the tablet war of 2026 is officially over, and Apple's iPad Pro just woke up to its absolute worst nightmare. Welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today, we have got our hands on the most explosive, exclusive supply chain leaks for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. The tech world has been begging for a device that refuses to compromise, and it looks like the wait is finally over. Let me tell you right now, this is not just another incremental, boring yearly update. This is a complete paradigm shift. A titanium-clad, 24GB RAM-wielding powerhouse designed from the ground up to completely obliterate the line between a mobile tablet and a high-end desktop workstation. If you are a professional creator, a heavy multitasking student, or just a hardcore tech enthusiast demanding peak premium performance, you are going to want to put your wallet away. Do not even think about buying a new MacBook or iPad Pro until you hear what Samsung is dropping this September. Stick with me until the very end of this video, because we are breaking down the official leaked price tag, and you need to know exactly how much this beast is going to set you back. Let's kick things off with the design and the display, because Samsung is finally fixing the one thing that has been driving all of us crazy. Yes, the notch is dead. You heard that correctly. The upcoming Tab S12 Ultra is reportedly featuring Samsung's next-generation under-display camera 2.0 technology. By pushing the front-facing camera completely under the glass, Samsung is handing us a flawless, uninterrupted canvas. Imagine firing up a movie, editing a massive 4K timeline, or sketching out a design on a massive 14.6-inch screen, and there is no ugly black camera cutout staring back at you. It is pure, unadulterated screen real estate. But it gets even better. That screen is no longer just your standard AMOLED. The supply chain leaks strongly point to Samsung adopting revolutionary Tandem OLED technology for the Tab S12 Ultra. We are talking about a retina-searing 3000 nits of peak brightness. Whether you are reviewing spreadsheets in a brightly lit office or editing photos outdoors under the blazing sun, this screen will cut through the glare like a hot knife through butter. To protect this gorgeous display, Samsung is slapping on their proprietary anti-reflective Gorilla Armor. It will look incredibly deep, impossibly vibrant, and virtually reflection-free. Wrapping all of this beautiful tech is a brand new chassis. Samsung is officially ditching the standard aluminum frame and stepping up to the ultra-premium leagues. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is heavily rumored to feature a Grade 5 titanium frame. This is the exact same aerospace-grade material that makes flagship smartphones so durable, but bringing it to a massive tablet is a complete game-changer. It means the Tab S12 Ultra will be significantly more rigid, heavily resistant to bending in your backpack, and incredibly, it might actually end up being lighter than last year's model. The cool-to-the-touch feel of Real titanium combined with the incredibly slim profile is going to make this the most luxurious piece of tech you own. But an incredible screen and a titanium body mean absolutely nothing if the tablet cannot perform like the laptop it claims to replace. This is where the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra goes from being a really nice tablet to an absolute monster. According to the latest benchmark leaks, Samsung is outfitting this beast with next-generation silicon. Depending on your region, we are looking at either the bleeding-edge MediaTek Dimensity 9500 Plus or the incredibly powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 processor. Both chips are absolute computational titans, engineered to handle sustained heavy workloads without breaking a sweat. To keep temperatures down during intense rendering sessions or high frame rate gaming, Samsung has reportedly doubled the size of the internal vapor chamber cooling system. However, the processor is only half the story. The leak that truly made our jaws drop here at the Tech Vibe studio is the RAM. Samsung is reportedly testing a mind-bending 24GB of RAM for the top-tier configuration. Let that sink in for a second. That is more RAM than most people have in their dedicated desktop PCs. Why would a tablet need that much memory? The answer is next-level AI and uncompromised desktop-level multitasking. With that much overhead, you will be able to run dozens of Chrome tabs, multiple 4K video layers in LumaFusion, run local large language models, and juggle heavy background applications simultaneously without a single stutter, reload, or dropped frame. To actually harness all of this raw horsepower, Samsung is introducing something internally referred to as Neural Decks. This is an on-device, AI-driven desktop workflow that intelligently manages your window snapping, predicts the tools you need, and optimizes battery allocation based on the applications you are actively using. By keeping the AI processing entirely on-device, your sensitive professional files and data remain completely secure and never have to be sent off to an external cloud server. It offers a seamless, hyperfluid desktop experience that truly rivals macOS and Windows. Plug this into an external monitor, pair a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, and literally leave your laptop at home. While we are talking about upgrades, we have to mention the rear camera module and audio setup. Tablet cameras are usually an afterthought, but Samsung is upgrading the S12 Ultra with a primary 50-megapixel sensor and a dedicated ultra-wide lens capable of shooting pro-grade ProRes video directly to an external SSD via the upgraded Thunderbolt 4 Type-C port. Accompanying this professional workflow is a quad-speaker array tuned by AKG, which now features spatial audio tracking. The speakers are 20% larger, delivering a booming, cinematic soundstage that makes watching movies or editing audio tracks an absolute joy without even needing headphones. We cannot talk about a Samsung Ultra tablet without the S Pen. The Tab S12 Ultra will obviously include the stylus in the box. But the new S Pen Pro 3 is getting a massive upgrade. Leaks indicate a sophisticated new haptic feedback motor built directly into the pen itself. When you drag the stylus across the glass, micro-vibrations will simulate the exact friction and texture of a pencil on paper, or a marker on canvas. For digital artists, architects, and extreme note-takers, this level of tactile feedback makes the digital experience feel incredibly organic and lifelike. Plus, the latency has been pushed down to a virtually imperceptible 1 millisecond. Let's talk endurance, because cutting-edge technology demands serious power. Rumors suggest Samsung is cramming a massive battery into the S12 Ultra, ranging between 11,800 and a staggering 12,500 mAh. Combined with the power-efficient Tandem OLED display and optimized silicon, this tablet is expected to deliver genuine all-day battery life, even under heavy professional workloads. When it is finally time to juice back up, leaks point to ultra-fast charging capabilities, potentially jumping from the traditional 45 watts up to a blistering 100 watts, allowing you to go from zero to full in record time. So, when can you actually get your hands on this titanium masterpiece, and how much will it cost you? Historically, Samsung loves a late summer or early fall release window, and all current supply chain indicators point to an official launch in September of 2026. As for the price, premium innovation does not come cheap. With the shift to Grade 5 titanium, Tandem OLED, and 24GB of RAM, expect the baseline model to start well north of $1,200 in the US, with premium configurations easily pushing past the $1,500 mark. It is a massive investment, but if it truly replaces both your tablet and your laptop, it might just be the best tech purchase you make all year. What do you think? Will the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra finally make you ditch your laptop or switch over from the iPad Pro? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and get the absolute fastest, most authentic tech leaks on the internet, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and smash the like button if you are hyped for the S12 Ultra. This is Tech Vibe, bringing you the future of technology today. We will see you in the next one.